Come around there.
Give me your boarding pass. Give me your boarding pass.
We're inside the departure here.
Your name is Kunle. Where's your ID card? Your identification. Let me see what you use as identification. Either your driver's license or international passport. Kunle. This obviously is a fraudulent ID card.
They have so many ID cards.
Yeah, so many. How long have you been stealing on board? Did I speak Spanish? How long have you been stealing on board? This year. This year is 2 months old. Okay. So where are the monies? Where did you keep them?
That's my own.
Okay, wait.
Wait.
Wait. That's it.
That's my own.
Where is the other one? That is a brand new 500 notes.
What did I say?
You are not lying now. Okay? Nobody said you were lying.
You say you are lying.
Yeah.
That is so long.
And they don't know. There are other 1,000 naira notes too.
Oga, like I was telling Oga.
No, I'm reminding him.
No. I was telling Oga something on the ramp, sir. We are the ones. When I say we, us, you passengers especially, that allow miscreants like this go unpunished. You know why? Or how? Once we transfer this case now to the police, you people just write a statement and back out. We don't want that. Don't back out. Let's see this to a conclusive end.
Yeah, I will.
Let this man be prosecuted and sent to jail, so that you help us protect other citizens like yourself.
You know what is more even interesting? The Commissioner of Police, Edgar,
Yes.
is my neighbor.
So
He's my neighbor. And I am the chairman of Garden Valley GRA, where he lives.
good. So that solves it. We need to
So
throw
it's
people
not
like
even an
this
issue
away.
at all. It's not even.
Thank you so much,
It's
sir.
not an issue at all.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.